Today, we're diving into the Plinkusa Rackbuy IPC-G3370R, a powerhouse 3U rack mount chassis designed to accommodate your server needs with finesse. Let's unpack the features that make this chassis stand out. First off, versatility is the name of the game here. With support for ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards, you have the freedom to tailor your build according to your specific requirements. Whether you're going for a standard ATX setup or opting for a more compact Micro-ATX or Mini-ATX configuration, this chassis has got you covered. Drive capacity is another area where the IPC-G3370R shines. Depending on your motherboard size, you can have up to two 5.25-inch ODDs in either 5 or 6 3.5 HDD bays, along with additional space for 2.5 SSDs HDDs. This flexibility ensures that you won't be left wanting for storage options, whether you're building a NAS, a media server, or a high-performance workstation. Cooling is crucial in any server environment, and the IPC-G3370R doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a brand new 120mm intake fan and optional 6cm fans on the rear, this chassis ensures optimal airflow to keep your components running cool, even under heavy loads. Plus, with intelligent energy-saving features, you can customize fan settings to strike the perfect balance between cooling performance and energy efficiency. Durability and convenience are also key highlights of this chassis. Constructed from high-grade Korean SECC sheet metal, the IPC-G3370R boasts a sturdy build quality that's built to last. Additionally, features like removable front covers with air filters and built-in aluminum rack mounting handles make installation and maintenance a breeze. However, it's worth noting that this chassis may not be suitable for all GPU configurations, particularly full-height cards with power inputs on the top side. So, if you're planning on incorporating a powerful GPU into your build, you'll need to factor in this limitation. Overall, the Plinkusa Rackbuy IPC-G3370R impresses with its robust design, versatile compatibility, and efficient cooling capabilities. Whether you're a professional system builder or an enthusiast looking to take your server setup to the next level, this chassis has everything you need to create a reliable and high-performance system. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.